A very good morning to everyone. And on behalf of Team Ahmedabad branch and all the 43 branches that have joined us, a very, very happy Sunday and a healthy Sunday. So we have completed 2 weeks of Movement 73, and I'm sure you all are enjoying the journey towards going up more fit and getting better. Friends, as you all know, the situation outside is not that good, but we all are joining virtually. And believe me, the kind of feedback that we are getting, apart from the health and fitness, the one thing that everybody is lacking about this movement is the connectedness. We all are feeling connected, made discussions in the nutrition group, in the walking groups, wherever we are, but we are connected to each other. Regarding crisis, I will just say, there's a crisis when you talk about this current situation. The Chinese word for crisis, basically Chinese from where the corona also had come. So Chinese word from crisis is basically comprised of two separate words. It's called Wei Ji. And Wei is dangerous and G stands for a changing point or an opportunity. So let us take it as an opportunity, as a changing point wherein we all can together work towards a better health and being more fit. Today, we have 5 branch chairmen join us. But before that, there are a few important announcements that we want to make. First and foremost, based on the various requests, we are changing the time from 7 to 7:15. So now every morning, 7:15 to 8:15 would be our morning sessions. So the schedule for the week will be sent today evening. Tomorrow will be a live Zumba session. So it will be starting from 7:15 a.m. in the morning till 8:15. Second information on the groups. Those who have joined recently, I think I'm very happy to say that post last Sunday, we have 16 branches who have joined us from across the country. And I'm very, very thankful to the branch chairman from Chittorgarh, Jamshedpur, Ludhiana, Karnal, Bilaspur, Latur, Mathura, Kishangarh, Ernakulam, Rohtak, Kolhapur, Sangli, Sirsa, Amravati, Navi Mumbai, and Jalandhar. So all the branch chairmen, thank you so much for joining with this. And I'm sure this will become a national movement soon. So when I was telling to all the new participants who have joined, I think it's very important to know that once you are registered, you will be entered to an induction group, and then you will be entered into the main group. So the main group is called Ahmedabad Movement 73, Group 1 to Group 9 or Group 10. There are 10 groups now. And based on when you are registering, you will be entering in the main group. In the Ahmedabad Movement Group 1 to 10, you will be shared all the links, the Zoom links, all the information, important information, everything will be given in that group. There are running, cycling, walking groups. So those who are interested in that, you can fill in the Google forms or even let us know. We will add you to the running or walking, cycling groups. And third is also a nutrition group. So basically, we are very happy to have Archana Shah as our nutrition partner. And basically, we have 3 groups wherein she is helping members on a real-time basis with all the queries related to nutrition. Another important thing is, let us post our activities. I think while we see that there are more than 200 members in each group of running and cycling, there are only a few participants who are posting their activities. But I also know that many people are doing it. So if you're doing any activity, let's say walking or running or cycling, let us post those activities in the group to motivate not only ourselves, but motivate our fellow members who are part of that group. So I would request all of you to keep sharing your photographs, your activities, maybe Strava app, iPhone, whatever you use, keep on sharing the activities with each and every one. Now coming to a very important surprise Tuesday this time. So the weekly schedule remains the same, but we have come up with a twist. So after 2 weeks, I think every Tuesday will be a surprise Tuesday. So Monday will be Zumba. Tuesday will be something surprise. Wednesday will be a Tabata session. Thursday will be specially for senior citizens, senior members. Friday will be yoga, and Saturday will be fitness workout. And Sunday, as usual, will be an activity with an expert talk. So I would request all of you, those who are listening right now, to guess what would be this Tuesday's surprise workout. I will request you to put in a chat box. And before that, I would now request our first branch chairman, CA Nilasha Nogaja from Solapur, to please address the audience. Nilasha?
Yes, thank you. Good morning, all of you. And wow, I'm so honored and privileged to share few minutes of this morning with all of you on such a big and huge virtual platform of nearly 43 branches across the India. Join Ahmedabad Movement 73. I first of all congratulate Chairman C. Harit Dhariwal and Secretary C. Anjali Choksi and the whole team of Ahmedabad branch, really working day and night for organizing such a wonderful, beautiful fitness workout series under the leadership of legions of experts in the fitness field. Hats off to you, Chairman Sir, Secretary Madam, I really want to say I'm getting so much inspiration from Ahmedabad branch activities, webinar series. They are so well designed, grouped, coordinated, and updated with the need of our amazing. I feel lucky to be a part of Fit India Movement 73 organized by Ahmedabad branch, a fitness carnival. As our Solapur branch is a small branch having 300 members, and I feel lucky to be a second lady chairperson of Solapur branch. And I always get ideas, motivation, inspiration to do more events and webinars for the benefit of members from Ahmedabad branch. I thankful to all the chairmans of branches who became the part of this historical big movement 73 hosted by Ahmedabad branch. And once again, I'm giving my sincere thanks for giving me this honor to share my views on this beautiful platform and have a blast super Sunday morning. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nilasha ma'am. Am I audible? That. Yeah, thank you, Nilasha ma'am, for your amazing, energetic words in the morning. And we are very happy to have your branch associated with us. I would now request CA Kamal Moore, who is the chairman of Guwahati branch, to please address all of us.
Thank you, Haribhai, and a very happy morning to Team Ahmedabad ICI. I welcome Chairman Solapur branch, Nilasha ji, Chairman Vapi branch, Vinayak ji, Chairman Faridabad branch, Jitendra ji, and Chairman Ichalkaranji branch, Nitin ji. Friends, this is a wonderful initiative by Team Ahmedabad, bringing all the 43 branches together on one page. During my last so many years of association with ICI, I have never come across a position where we have seen that so many branches being coming together and a wonderful initiative being taken by any branch. Let me also thank Ahmedabad branch for guiding us in so many initiatives. A lot of our branch activities are being inspired by Ahmedabad branch, and I'm sure that we will continue getting similar guidance and motivation from the Team Ahmedabad in the future as well. And these are testing times, and we all are the brand ambassador of ICI. And I believe that we have the potential to showcase to the society that together we can be a true partner in the nation building. According to me, such initiatives being undertaken by Ahmedabad branch, where 43 branches of the country coming together, and I'm sure more and more branches will be added in the due course, we can truly serve the society. Let's all work together in this difficult times for a common cause of the society. I once again congratulate the entire team of Ahmedabad branch, and I wish all the participants a very super Sunday and a happy fitness movement. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kamalji. It was wonderful listening to you, and we are also tracking your activities. I think it's wonderful to see that even Guwahati branch is coming up with so many innovative things like the plasma and blood donation and other activities that your team is doing. Let us be in touch, Kamalji. I would also request now to CA Vinayak Bafna ji, who is the chairman of Vapi branch, to please address the gathering.
Good. Am I audible and visible?
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. A happy morning to all. First of all, I would like to appreciate Ahmedabad team led by CA Harit Dhariwal ji for initiating such a unique program of virtual fitness. Normally, this is a little out of box, and this is the perfect time to organize such a session or such a event when we have such a health crisis in India, and we have such a fitness event during this period. Ahmedabad branch is doing a very great job in many events, and we all are getting inspired from Ahmedabad branch. Talking about fitness, I would appreciate everyone to take a more participation in everyday program and take the maximum benefit of this event. Make this event a beginning point for your remaining lifestyle routine for whole your life, where you uh, uh, where you give priority to your fitness and not only your work and your career. Uh, this is a very weird time, very bad time for everyone in terms of health. And this period, yeah, you should concentrate on your fitness more than your career. So I wish everyone to take the benefit of this event and make this a beginning point in your life to have a healthy and fitful life. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinayak ji. I think we could see your daily activities. I think you are one of the most active chairman, even as far as the performance is concerned. We see your daily running, jogging activities. So keep inspiring us. I would now request Jitendra Chawla ji from Faridabad branch to please address all of us.
Thank you. Respected chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Harit bhai, all the managing committee members of Ahmedabad branch and chairman today's जो जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है, today's chairman of Solapur, chairperson Solapur branch Nilasha ma'am, Guwahati branch Kamal Moore ji, Vapi branch Vinayak ji, and Ichal Karni ji branch Nitin Ladda ji. Good morning all of you. मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो अहमदाबाद ब्रांच ने जो ये वर्क किया है ये बहुत एप्रिशिएबल है, क्योंकि 73 डेज तक हम सारे चेयरमैन हैं और 73 डेज तक किसी भी प्रोग्राम को रन करना बहुत मुश्किल है, और जो इनिशिएटिव इन्होंने लिया है वो स्पेशली काबिल तारीफ है। इससे बड़ा इनिशिएटिव मुझे लगता नहीं है किसी ब्रांच ने लिया भी है, और हम तो क्या कहते हैं अहमदाबाद ब्रांच को फॉलो करते रहते हैं। तो आज पता चला है कि अहमदाबाद ब्रांच बेस्ट अवार्ड कैसे लेता है। तो मैं सबसे पहले पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। और इस कोरोना वाले युग में मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो कम से कम पूरी इंडिया में 250 मेंबर्स जो हमारे कोरोना से हमारा साथ छोड़ चुके हैं, जो हमारे पास डाटा आया है। और मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट भी करता हूँ कि इस कोरोना में ये जो फिटनेस वाला प्रोग्राम है यही हमें बचा सकता है इस कोरोना से, और कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो हमें कोरोना से बचा सकते हैं। आप योगा करें, और ये योगा करें, डाइट ले, इसी से ही आप इस कोरोना से सभी को मात दे सकते हैं। और जितना हो सके कि अपने फर्टिलिटी में अपने लोगों की मदद करें, किसी को प्लाज्मा डोनेट करें, किसी को ऑक्सीजन की मदद कराएं, जहाँ जिससे जितना हो सकता है वो आप सभी ये काम करें। हमने भी 3 कैंप लगा चुके हैं हम फरीदाबाद ब्रांच में वैक्सीन के भी, तो हमने वैक्सीन भी लोगों को प्रेरित किया है लगवाने के लिए। तो मेरा आप सभी से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इसमें एक नेशन के तौर पे आप सभी इसमें अपना योगदान करें। बस इतना ज्यादा समय ना लेते हुए बस मैं सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू जितेंद्र जी। आई थिंक हमने सबने देखा है सर, फरीदाबाद ब्रांच बहुत एक्टिवली सब मेंबर्स का सपोर्ट कर रही है, एंड द वे यू आर वर्किंग स्पेशली विद द टास्क फोर्स इज रियली अप्रिशिएबल सर। नाउ आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट सीए नितिन लड्डा जी फ्रॉम इचल करणजी ब्रांच टू प्लीज एड्रेस ऑल ऑफ अस।
Good morning everyone, and I want to specially thank to Ahmedabad branch to take such a big initiative under the leadership of Harit bhai and entire team. जो आप लोग कर रहे सही में सर सराहनीय है, because each and every activity you are taking, from yoga, from Zumba, and again from functional workout, and for senior members also, ये सर बहुत ही appreciable चीज है। और आज जो पोजीशन है उसमें ये चीज करना है बहुत बड़ी बात है, और वर्चुअली, और अराउंड 2000 प्लस मेंबर्स का रजिस्ट्रेशन होना भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात है कि आप कितने मेंबर्स फिटनेस के लिए अवेयर हो रहे हैं आपके वजह से, एक रिमार्केबल चीज है सर अपन सबके लिए। बेसिकली मैं थोड़ा हमारे इचलकरंजी ब्रांच के बारे में आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। इचलकरंजी ब्रांच एक कोल्हापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ब्रांच है, कोल्हापुर और सांगली ब्रांच एडजॉइनिंग ब्रांचेस है। पिछले साल हम भी 71 फाउंडेशन डे पे रन फॉर फन एक इवेंट लिए थे, उसमें अराउंड 21 डेज में मेंबर्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हमने टास्क रखा था कि आप एटलीस्ट 21 डेज में 71 किलोमीटर कवर कीजिए। और उसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ कि काफी मेंबर्स के जो एक्टिविटीज बंद हो चुके थे धीरे धीरे चालू हो गए, किक मिल गया सबको। और वापिस इस साल आप लोगों ने 73 डेज का लिया है, एक बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बहुत सारे मेंबर्स कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं। और इस साल भी हम लोग ट्राई क्या कर रहे हैं कि भाई एक योगा वीक ले फ्रॉम बेसिक्स टू एक्सपर्ट लेवल का, एडवांस लेवल का योगा। और वापिस ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ 1 जुलाई डॉक्टर्स और सीए डेज के उपलक्ष्य में हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि एक जॉइंट मैराथन ले हेल्थ और वेल्थ का साथ में हो जाएगा। और ओवरऑल वापिस एक बार सभी ब्रांच के चेयरमैन को 43 ब्रांचेस पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं, पार्टिसिपेंट्स को और टीम अहमदाबाद को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू नितिन जी फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स। आई थिंक नितिन जी हम आपके भी एक्टिविटीज देखते जा रहे हैं। यू आर आल्सो वेरी एक्टिव ऑन द ग्रुप, पोस्टिंग योर एक्टिविटीज and inspiring us, so keep doing that, sir. I would now request, before I call Jasleen to give the vote of thanks, I would request the secretary of our branch, Anjali Choksi. Ma'am, if you can please address all of us.
Thank you, Chairman. We are thankful to the chairman of all the branches, Nilisha ji, Kamal ji, Nitin ji, Jiten ji, for joining us. It's a privilege for Ahmedabad branch to have all of you with us. Just adding two more things which the chairman shared earlier. Firstly, request to all to post their activities, whether you are doing a 1 kilometer walk or a 1 kilometer cycling, whatever you are doing during the day, please post it in the group so others are motivated and you too are motivated. Secondly, we have a dedicated nutrition group led by dietitian Archana Shah. She will guide you for any of your queries. So if you are interested to join the nutrition group, do send a message to me or Harit sir. We will join you in the nutrition group and you will get all tips and techniques, also personal guidance. Thank you once again, requesting all of you to participate and let's create a large scale movement whereby we can say that in these 73 movements we have lost, let's say, X kgs from earth or any measurement criteria. Thank you and welcome you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali Ben. I think very rightly emphasized on the importance of posting activities and motivating each other. I would now request Jasleen Kaur, our student, to basically give vote of thanks to all the branch chairmen.
Well, thank you so much, Harit sir. It's immensely my pleasure. First of all, I would like to thank Nilasha ma'am and CA Kamal sir, CA Vinayak sir, CA Jitendra sir, and CA Nitin sir for sparing out your precious time with us on this day of Sunday and sharing your valuable insights with us. Sir, it's been rightly said that coming together is just a beginning. Staying together is progress, and working together is success. So Ahmedabad branch of WIRC visions your all branches to be an integral part of our success. First of all, I would like to thank you, your branch members, your committee members, all CAs, non-CAs, and then family members who joined us together in this event of Movement 73 from your region, sir. And how can I forget the overseas participants which we got out of your reference? This makes me feel that teamwork makes the dream work come true. And it is our dream to achieve 2.5K to 3K registrations for this event. And yes, we are almost there. And registrations are still open. So I would, everyone out there who is listening me right now, I will urge you all to kindly register your friends and your family members for this event. Because one reference of yours has the potential to create a lifestyle change of anyone's life. So please refer to your friends and family members. So I would nextly just tell you that if any sort of further assistance is needed from us, we would always be there, happy to serve you. And I personally know Harit sir, Anjali ma'am, Vishen sir, and all other committee members. You just need to drop a message to them and they will just respond spontaneously. Thanks for that as well. And so earlier this morning when I was serving, and as Jitendra sir mentioned that they are carrying on various drives of vaccination and plasma and blood donation camp and all. So thank you so much for being so proactive, and Ahmedabad branch feels proud to be associated with such proactive branches. Thanks for being part of us in this enriching process towards lifestyle change. Thank you. Over to you, Harit.